Let's break down how to create your own custom communication board in just 4 simple steps.
So, you've got a great idea? Awesome. Here's how we can turn that into a reality.
Okay, step 1 is super easy. All you do is request a free quote to get started.
And you'll get that personalized quote back really fast, usually within just 24 hours.
And just to be clear, it's totally free with no strings attached. Absolutely zero commitment.
All right, on to step 2. This is where you make it official and we get to drafting. Paying is flexible too. You can use a purchase order, a check, or a credit card.
Next, we'll send you a draft. This is where you give us your feedback so it's perfect.
Happy with the design? Perfect. Now we're at the crucial 3rd step, the final approval.
Once you give us the OK, your custom board heads straight into production. It's that simple.
And now for the best part, step 4, getting your brand new board delivered. And it's quick. You can expect to see it at your door in about 2 to 7 business days.
So you see, the whole process is built to take that amazing idea you had and turn it into a real, high-quality tool that's delivered right to you. We seriously can't wait to help bring your vision to life. So, are you ready to start?
Just head over to the website to get that free quote and kick the whole process off. The only question left is, what amazing tool are you going to create?